A troubling trend is emerging in Jamaica. That's persons wearing fashion or fake braces. The practice continues to raise concerns among experts in the dental sector who say it can have serious health effects. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
Fashion or fake braces look very much like the real thing. But family dentist Dr. Emerson Henry says, unlike the real thing, fake braces may have materials which can be harmful.
Many things can stick to your teeth, So you could use they could use materials that are expired. They could use materials that were not designed to be used to hold the brackets in place, and so it won't stay on the teeth, for a long period of time. And so if you use remember your mouth is the first portal of entry of things into your body.
Dr. Henry says persons who wear braces for the real reasons normally have them in for 2 years, but those who wear them in for fashionable reasons have them in longer.
The way the teeth fit together is a delicate balance. So if it's almost like when your car is properly aligned, you get a nice smooth ride, right? So if you move the teeth out of alignment, it can cause a lot of problems. You can get headaches, you can get toothache, the teeth can break, and it will be more challenging to clean your teeth with the braces in. And so if you're not properly guided, it can contribute to tooth decay.
Dr. Henry says untrained persons offering this type of service can be prosecuted.
It could be anybody. It could be there could be just someone who sees it as a hustling, maybe learn the basic things on YouTube, or might have a friend who is an auxiliary in the dental profession, and they get a little information and they try and they do it.
It is highly recommended that you consult a licensed orthodontist when getting braces. If you're not sure, you can contact the Jamaica Dental Association for help. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.